So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you can open up a Tide business account. Now it's nice and easy to do, but make sure you watch through all the way to make sure you don't miss any important steps. But on top of using a Tide business account, if you use my referral code that I'll leave on screen and in the description, you'll also be eligible for a free £50 bonus when signing up. But anyway, to set up a Tide business account, you'll firstly need to come to the website here, and then you'll just need to click open an account here. And then once you've done that, you'll need to select one of the two options. So you can either set up as a registered company or go as a sole trader. So for this example, we'll set up as a registered company. And then once you've done that, very important, to be eligible for the £50 bonus, you'll just want to add your referral code at the bottom here. And my referral code is the following, 4Y85LQ. So if you use that code, you'll be eligible for the £50. And then once you've entered it, you'll just want to hit save. And if it's applied, you'll get this green notification at the bottom to confirm the code is applied. So once the code is now applied, you'll just want to go ahead and enter your email and phone number here. Then once you've done that, you'll just need to do phone verification. And then for the next slide, you'll just need to enter your full name and then date of birth on the next one. And then next up, you'll just need to search for your nationality. So for example, let's say British. And then once you've done that, you'll just need to search for your postcode and then pick out your first line of address. And then from there, you'll just need to confirm your address. And if you're happy, you can press next. And then once you've done that, if you're setting up as a registered company, you'll just need to go ahead and search for your company in the search bar here. And then again, if it's the right company, you'll just want to go ahead and select next here. And then next up, you'll just need to enter your trading information along with your trading address. But of course, if it's the same one you selected earlier, you can go ahead and select it here. Then once you've done that, you'll just need to select your business category. So for this example, we'll say advertising and marketing. And then once you've done that, you'll just need to select all the relevant directors. But of course, if it's pulled your information from Companies House, you may already see your name here. And then finally, you'll just get a few more slides here. And then once you've got through that, you'll then get the opportunity to download Tide. And then we'll continue the next steps on the app. So if you haven't already, you'll just need to go ahead and download the app. And then once you've downloaded the app, you'll just want to log in. And then once you've logged in, you may need to sign into your email just to confirm the new device to your account. So you can go ahead and verify it here. And then from here, you'll just get a few more security tabs. And then you'll just need to verify your phone number again. And then once you've done that, you'll just need to move on to the next step, which just asks you to confirm your ID. So from here, you will need some ID on standby, such as a passport, driver's license, or residence permit. And then once you've selected the ID you want to use, you'll just need to accept the camera settings. And then you'll just want to go ahead and take a photo of your ID. And then once you've done that, you'll just need to take a selfie. But of course, this is just to verify it against the ID. And then once you've sent off your ID, you can then move on to the next step here, which will just ask you to pick your package. So again, there are a few options to choose from. You can either go for the smart package or the standard. But sometimes Tide do give you a 3-month free trial with some of their more premium packages, so you're more than welcome to have a look. And then once you've selected what type of account you want, you should be greeted with this page here. And then once you see this page, you'll just need to sit tight and let Tide verify your account. And then once Tide have verified your application, you can then log back into Tide, and then you'll see your new dashboard here, and then you can go ahead and start using your new Tide business account. In regards to your £50 reward, as long as you entered my referral code at the beginning of the sign-up process, you'll then be eligible to claim this reward, and that £50 reward will be applied the moment you spent up to £500 on your new Tide card. But again, to claim the sign-up reward properly, just make sure you have a read of the latest terms and conditions, which I'll leave below. But overall, that is pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.